Hello. My issue is water rights. This issue is important because everyone in the world needs water to live. If you don't have water, unfortunately, you're dead. That's just the laws of life. But why is it happening? Why do we have water rights and what are they? Well, water rights are basically laws that say we have the right to clean drinking water and we have the right to use water in a recreational way as well. But why is it happening? The issue of water rights is some people don't have clean drinking water, and some people have very little water. Some stuff that has already been done to address the problem is people have gone and done conservation efforts to help clean up rivers, build filters in neighborhoods, pipelines, all for just people to have water. Because water is more than just something we drink. It's something to keep us moving, and it's also a tool for life, a way of having food, a way of farming. There's a lot of things that happen to address it, as I have stated, but the problems too. It's just there are so many problems. People can't drink it because it's dirty. They need to go on bore warnings to get rid of the inefficiencies. And one way of that to get rid of it, touching on the fourth question, is filters. Filters are very relatively inexpensive in the grand scheme of it. The bigger the filter, the more it takes. But yes, big industrial facilities take a lot of time and money. But once we look at the grand scheme of things, that big sum of money is worth it if you're considering human lives. And that's why water rights are a very big deal. And also a way of life for water. People need water for fishing, for farming, vegetables. If you don't have water, you can't get fish, which is a big part of a lot of people's diets. This is why we have the rights for it. The rights allow us a free access to clean drinking water and just access to water in general. That's why programs to help raise money for it are so important. That's why we need it. And some changes that have been done are filters and pipelines, like I've already mentioned a couple times, because this is a very repetitive issue. I know I keep saying it, but it's that important. I need to state it. But if you have pipelines, you have the filters, you have the rights, you can look at them, you can go online. The sources I go on, I just searched up water rights and I found two Government of Canada websites that you can find on my on the Common Activity 1. I just use those sources over and over again. I use them, and I can just find a way to keep using them over, because they kind of state it a bit repetitively, and that's what I need to do to address this issue. But yeah, that is water rights basically summed up. We all need it. There's ways to solve the problem, and we're already trying to fix it, but we need to do it more.